Hello everybody and welcome to this IC Markets market commentary video. My name is Chloe Edwards from Trade with Precision, and today I want to do a spotlight on a few of the major markets, starting off with some commodities with gold here. On the daily time frame, gold is in an uptrend in terms of price action. We can see here higher lows and higher highs in price action. Gold has actually just broken up through this major horizontal level at 1800. If I just take you to the monthly time frame here, we can see where this major horizontal level has come from. It's actually a strong level of resistance from all the way back in 2011, 2012. And pulling that level forward means that it has actually acted as a level of resistance quite recently, in fact, and price has just in the last couple of days broken up through that level of resistance there. So in terms of opportunities on a daily time frame, I would be looking for a further move to the upside, followed by a pullback, and actually a pullback to this horizontal level, followed by a bullish candle printing in around that area, could yield potential trading opportunities to the upside. For those people more interested in intraday opportunities, if we just go down a time frame to the 4-hourly time frame, then actually we can see that price has broken through that 1800 level, and it is actually currently, or has just retested that 1800 level, and a fairly bullish candle has actually printed in this area. So potential long opportunities aren't necessarily far away from here. Moving on to silver. Gold and silver can tend to move hand in hand, and in fact, another reason why I'm fairly bullish on gold is the seasonal pattern. Gold can tend to be quite bullish for the month of December, so that's another thing in favor of looking for further moves to the upside. Now, silver also is in an uptrend here with higher lows and higher highs in price action. I would be looking for a pullback into an equilibrium zone around the moving averages here, because at the moment, as things stand on this daily time frame, price action is actually a little bit too overextended to get into any trading opportunities currently. I'm looking at silver potentially to move all the way up to this next horizontal level at 26. If I just again take you to the monthly time frame to show you where that level has come from, it is strong horizontal support, again from all the way back in 2011, 2012 there. So the potential for price to rally all the way up to that level is there. Obviously, if I were to be taking trading opportunities to the upside, I would think about being slightly conservative in terms of targeting and perhaps scaling out on the way. But that 26 level is the next major level of horizontal resistance that I envisage price really reacting to. Moving on to some other commodities with Brent crude oil. Brent crude oil is in a downtrend. The price action is showing lower highs and lower lows. It's broken down through this 86.50 horizontal level, and we can see that that stems from all the way over here in 2021 with this high over here, and it's acted as support since then as well. So price has broken down through that horizontal level. The next major horizontal level beneath price being down here at $70 a barrel. And price, while it is in this downtrend, is currently seeing a pullback. So for the last 3 days or so, price has been rallying, and it has actually come to this area around these previous lows here, which is a potential area to start looking for a return to the downside. So I would be looking for a bearish candle to print in this area to indicate a potential return to the downside and potential trading opportunities short. The West Texas crude oil is showing something fairly similar. So again, there is a downtrend here in price action, lower highs and lower lows. I should also mention that the MACD and the RSI, those momentum indicators there, are actually quite bearish as well. So it suggests that there is quite a healthy downtrend currently in place. And again, price for the last few days has been rallying, and it's rallied up to, again, these previous lows here at around $77 a barrel. And so this would be a realistic area to potentially anticipate or look out for the printing of a bearish candle in this area in order to indicate a further and renewed move to the downside. And the next horizontal level of support down beneath price is at this $65 a barrel level. Moving on then to some currencies. I do remain bullish on most major currencies versus the US dollar. So looking here at euro dollar, again, we can see a nice, clean, clear uptrend with higher lows and higher highs in price action. Again, in order to trade this on the daily time frame, I would be looking for a pullback because price is a little bit overextended from where it needs to be in order to really find a good price to get into this market. But I do remain bullish on euro dollar, as I do on pound dollar. Again, we can see a healthy uptrend here. Again, the RSI and MACD are looking bullish as well, indicating that there is still potential momentum to the upside. Looking over to Australian dollar, again noticing these higher lows and higher highs in price action, and the same for Kiwi dollar. This is just a small selection of some of the major currencies crossed against the US dollar, and really showing the higher lows and higher highs in price action, indicating an uptrend and potential for further moves to the upside. So while that US dollar weakness plays out, I do remain bullish on a lot of those major currency pairs crossed against the US dollar. So have a fantastic day, everyone, and a wonderful week ahead. Speak to you soon.